In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create and use a hanging indent in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. So open your PowerPoint presentation and you have this sample text from here. So if you want to use the feature which is hanging indent, then you can simply do that. So just simply select the text that you want to put the feature hanging indent and then click on the home tab on the ribbon. And here you'll find paragraph with a small arrow. Click on that small arrow and here you'll find indentation. So you can set this to any of your preference like zero point 0.5 inches or zero point 0.6 inches. And for the special, click on the drop down and choose hanging. So this video tutorial is basically for and how you can use the hanging indentation for the Microsoft PowerPoint. So I hope you are going to subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. So once you choose hanging, click on OK. And this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like when you use the hanging indentation feature. So the first line of that specific paragraph will be in this certain point, and then the next lines of that paragraph will be in this point. Okay? As you can see. And that's it. That's how you can easily apply the hanging indentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.